Well, I think obviously it's climate change and the climate crisis, and that's important not just, if I may say so, for environmental reasons, but also for social and economic reasons. And as somebody who's had responsibility for the economic portfolio in the last 4 years, I fully recognise that the way the economy is supported has a major impact on our environment, and obviously the jobs that are created as a result of the economy are very important indeed as well. And obviously, the major challenge therefore is to reduce emissions and obviously to enable people to live much more sustainable and environmentally friendly lifestyles. And that's often the challenge that faces us, is to make sure that we can have an economy that is performing, as well as making sure that we don't have a major impact on the environment as we do so. Obviously the environmental crisis is at the heart of what we are trying to do in Plaid Cymru. We recognise that, and obviously we also want to make sure that, because the Assembly has a commitment to sustainable development, we always want to try to shape our policies to fit in with that particular commitment.